Feeling low on energy lately, or noticing your immune system isn't quite what it used to be? You're not alone. As we age, our bodies naturally slow down energy production and immune response, leaving us feeling tired and more prone to illness. But here's the good news. One simple change to your morning oatmeal can help turn that around. By adding the right natural ingredients, you can transform your breakfast into a powerful meal that supports energy, strengthens immunity, and keeps you feeling younger for longer. In today's video, we're revealing 3 science-backed oatmeal additions that can help recharge your body from the inside out. The last one is a gentle green powder that's been shown to fight fatigue and protect your cells from age-related damage. Before we dive in, let me know where you're watching from today and tell us your favorite oatmeal mix in the comments. And if you enjoy practical, science-based health tips like this, be sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a video. First, let's talk about pumpkin seeds, one of the most underrated superfoods that can completely transform your energy, sleep, and immune health. Most people see them as just a crunchy topping, but for older adults, these tiny seeds are one of nature's best defenses against fatigue and poor recovery. What makes pumpkin seeds so powerful is their nutrient density. They're loaded with zinc, magnesium, protein, and healthy fats, all of which are crucial for keeping your body strong and balanced as you age. Let's start with zinc, a mineral that's often overlooked but essential for immune function. Zinc helps your body produce and activate white blood cells, which act like soldiers that attack viruses and bacteria before they can make you sick. As we get older, zinc absorption naturally declines, and that's one reason why many seniors catch colds or infections more easily than they used to. When your body lacks zinc, your immune cells become sluggish, and your wound healing slows down. By adding just a tablespoon of pumpkin seeds to your oatmeal each morning, you can quickly boost zinc levels and help your immune system stay active and responsive. Magnesium is another star in pumpkin seeds, and it's one that supports both energy and calm. This mineral helps regulate more than 300 biochemical reactions in the body, including nerve function, muscle relaxation, and even the rhythm of your heartbeat. Unfortunately, studies show that nearly half of older adults don't get enough magnesium from their diets. Low magnesium can lead to muscle cramps, restless sleep, and constant fatigue, symptoms many seniors accept as just part of aging, when in fact they're signs of deficiency. Including pumpkin seeds in your breakfast can help restore magnesium levels naturally, improving sleep quality and morning energy. Pumpkin seeds also support hormone balance, which plays a key role in how energetic you feel. Zinc and magnesium together help regulate cortisol, the stress hormone that, when elevated, drains energy and weakens immunity. Regular consumption of pumpkin seeds can help lower cortisol and stabilize mood, allowing your body to rest and recover properly each night. Better sleep means better energy during the day, stronger muscles, and a sharper mind. And if you struggle with blood sugar spikes or sudden crashes after breakfast, pumpkin seeds can help with that too. Their mix of protein, fiber, and healthy fats slows down the digestion of carbohydrates, helping keep blood sugar steady and preventing the mid-morning energy slump. That's especially important for seniors managing prediabetes or diabetes, since blood sugar instability can worsen inflammation and fatigue. Can pumpkin seeds really make that much difference for immune health and energy? Absolutely. Studies published in the Journal of Nutrition and Metabolism have shown that magnesium and zinc, both abundant in pumpkin seeds, directly enhance immune response, reduce inflammation, and even support muscle recovery after exercise or daily activity. In simple terms, these tiny seeds help your body do what it used to do naturally: fight off illness, recover faster, and stay active. For best results, use raw or lightly roasted pumpkin seeds, not the heavily salted kind sold as snacks. Add a tablespoon to your oatmeal as it cooks, or sprinkle them on top afterward for a satisfying crunch. If you have digestive sensitivities, you can soak the seeds overnight in water. This softens them and makes their minerals easier to absorb. You can also mix them with chia seeds or walnuts to get an extra boost of omega-3 fats that reduce inflammation and support joint flexibility. Pumpkin seeds might be small, but their effects are big. They help strengthen immunity, stabilize blood sugar, improve rest, and enhance recovery. Everything your body needs to feel vibrant again. For seniors looking for one simple addition that protects their body from the inside out, pumpkin seeds are a smart and delicious place to start. Next, let's talk about ground ginger, the warming spice that has been used for thousands of years to boost vitality, digestion, and circulation. While many people think of it only for flavoring cookies or tea, ginger has a deep impact on your body's ability to absorb nutrients, regulate blood flow, and maintain steady energy. For seniors, it's an especially valuable addition to oatmeal because it supports two systems that often slow down with age: digestion and circulation. Let's begin with circulation. As we grow older, our blood vessels become less flexible, and blood flow to the muscles and organs decreases. This can lead to cold hands and feet, slower healing, and even lightheadedness. Ginger acts as a natural vasodilator, meaning it helps open up blood vessels and allows oxygen and nutrients to travel more easily throughout your body. When your cells get better oxygen and nutrition, your energy levels improve, your focus sharpens, and your body feels warmer and more alive. But ginger doesn't stop there. It also supports digestion and nutrient absorption. Many seniors struggle with bloating, indigestion, or poor appetite due to slower digestive enzymes. Ginger helps stimulate those enzymes, allowing your body to break down food more efficiently and absorb more vitamins and minerals from your meals. This means that when you eat healthy foods like oatmeal, pumpkin seeds, or fruits, your body actually benefits from them instead of passing nutrients through unused. Ginger is also a powerful anti-inflammatory. The compounds responsible for this are called gingerols and shogals, which help block inflammatory pathways in the body. Chronic inflammation is one of the leading causes of fatigue, joint stiffness, and slow recovery, issues that many older adults face daily. By including ginger in your diet, you reduce that inflammation naturally, improving mobility and reducing aches and pains. What about blood sugar and weight management? Ginger helps there too. Research shows that ginger can help improve insulin sensitivity, meaning your body uses sugar more efficiently, and reduce the spikes and crashes that drain your energy. A more stable blood sugar level throughout the day means fewer cravings, less irritability, and more consistent energy. Can something as simple as a spice really make such a big difference? Yes. A 2020 review published in the International Journal of Preventive Medicine found that ginger improves circulation, reduces oxidative stress, and supports digestion in people over 50. These benefits are particularly important because they target the very systems that decline with age. To get started, add about half a teaspoon of ground ginger to your morning oatmeal. If you enjoy a stronger flavor, you can mix it with cinnamon or turmeric for an extra anti-inflammatory punch. For those who prefer a milder taste, use fresh ginger instead. Just grate a small piece and add it while the oats are cooking. It will add a gentle warmth and subtle aroma that's both comforting and energizing. Some people worry that ginger might irritate the stomach, but when used in moderation, it actually does the opposite. It calms irritation, reduces gas, and prevents nausea. Just avoid combining it with large doses of blood-thinning medications without consulting your doctor, since ginger also improves blood flow naturally. In short, ginger turns ordinary oatmeal into a circulation-boosting, digestion-enhancing, and energy-stabilizing meal. It helps your body stay warm, mobile, and alert while protecting you from the slow, silent effects of inflammation. For seniors looking for a simple daily upgrade that makes a visible difference in how they feel, ginger is one of the smartest choices you can make. Finally, let's talk about Moringa powder, the gentle green powder that quietly fuels your body at the cellular level. Moringa is sometimes called the tree of life, and for good reason. It contains over 90 nutrients, including vitamins A, C, and E, iron, potassium, calcium, and chlorophyll. But what makes it truly remarkable for seniors is how it supports energy, detoxification, and long-term cellular health all at once. Energy after 60 often depends less on how much you eat and more on how well your cells convert nutrients into fuel. This process happens in the mitochondria, the powerhouses of your cells. As you age, mitochondria become less efficient, producing less energy and more oxidative stress. That's when fatigue, brain fog, and muscle weakness start to appear. Moringa provides antioxidants and phytonutrients that protect and repair these mitochondria, allowing your cells to produce clean, steady energy again, without relying on caffeine or sugar. But Moringa's benefits go beyond energy. It's also rich in chlorophyll, which supports the body's natural detox processes. Chlorophyll helps cleanse the blood and liver, flushing out toxins that build up from medications, processed foods, or pollution. This gentle detox effect can reduce bloating, improve skin clarity, and support better digestion, all while helping your body absorb nutrients more efficiently. Another reason Moringa is so powerful is its high iron content. Iron supports the production of red blood cells, which deliver oxygen to every part of your body. More oxygen means better concentration, less fatigue, and faster recovery after physical activity. For seniors who often feel tired or lightheaded, a teaspoon of Moringa in the morning can make a noticeable difference within a few weeks. Moringa also has natural anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Compounds like quercetin and chlorogenic acid help lower inflammation throughout the body and neutralize free radicals that contribute to aging. In one study published in the Journal of Food Science and Technology, researchers found that Moringa supplementation reduced oxidative stress markers and improved antioxidant enzyme activity in older adults, essentially helping their cells stay younger, longer. Can you really taste Moringa in oatmeal? Barely. Its mild, earthy flavor blends beautifully with cinnamon, honey, or fruits like banana and apple. The key is to start small, about half a teaspoon, and gradually increase to a full teaspoon as your body adjusts. You can mix it directly into your oatmeal, sprinkle it on top, or blend it with milk or yogurt before pouring it in. For the best results, pair Moringa with foods rich in healthy fats, like walnuts or pumpkin seeds, since fat helps your body absorb its fat-soluble vitamins. Avoid adding Moringa to boiling oatmeal at the last minute. It's better stirred in gently after cooking to preserve its nutrients. Some people notice subtle improvements in just a few days, better alertness, smoother digestion, and less afternoon fatigue. Over time, consistent use helps protect your cells from age-related decline, supports the immune system, and improves endurance. It's one of those rare foods that doesn't just add nutrients, it helps your body use them more effectively. If you're looking for a way to feel genuinely recharged every morning without relying on coffee or supplements, Moringa powder might be your answer. It's gentle on digestion, powerful for energy, and a natural ally for graceful aging. Combine it with oats, pumpkin seeds, and ginger, and you've got a breakfast that fuels every system in your body, from your heart to your cells, helping you start each day strong, clear-minded, and full of life. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button. It really helps more people discover these health tips. Share your thoughts in the comments below, and let us know which oatmeal upgrade you're most excited to try. And of course, don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss the next video packed with science-based ways to stay healthy, strong, and energized. Stay well, stay active, and start your day with a bowl of health. Looking for a way to feel